Forever, ever, hold on, never mind. Oh,
Hey, what's up guys, Panther here, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can make this thumbnail on your phone. And all you need to make this one is an app called Picsart, and the link to download it will be in the description below, and they also sponsored this video. So guys, to make this thumbnail, first we'll need a background, and I've chosen this one, and you can download it from the link in the description below. The media file link will contain a folder in which all of the images I used are kept, and so make sure you download that folder before you begin. So guys, after you've placed the background image, you need to place this image on your background so that it will attract more viewers. And when you place it, make sure you move it to the right or left where you want to keep your character. I'll keep my character towards the right, so I'll place it over there, and then go ahead and change the blend mode to screen, and then decrease the opacity to around 70%, and this looks good to me. So now we'll use a feature of Picsart called stickers, in which they have a lot of PNG images or even JPEGs if you want to place them on your thumbnail. So I'll just search for Fortnite, and I'll use the iris skin as my thumbnail character. So I'll place it towards the right where the center of attraction is, and I'll place it over there on it. Then I'll go ahead and add a border, and decrease the border size to about 20% so that it doesn't take a lot of space. And after that, we will add the tag image, the red tag, which is quite popular in thumbnails right now. So we'll add that image, and go ahead and tap on the thumbnail button, which will get you to this image, and then click on the tick mark. After you have it, just place it on the top left corner or the top right corner depending on where you've kept your character. I'll place it on the top left, and then we'll add a text. So the text I'll choose will be mobile, because the main attraction of the thumbnail is gonna be mobile. You can even use words like new so that the people watching know what the video is about. So guys, now we'll add the mobile text layer. So go ahead and choose the font. I'll be choosing the luckiest guy font, which I use in almost all of my thumbnails. So I'll place the text layer at around the center of the red tag image, and then we'll add two more text layers, which will be Fortnite and thumbnail. So let's go ahead and add that. So guys, type whatever text you want and then select the same font. I'll again go ahead with the luckiest guy font. Don't change the font for every text image, because you need some consistency in the thumbnail. And then after you've selected the font, just go ahead and add a stroke to it as well, so that the text doesn't blend in with the background. And after you've added a stroke, go ahead and add a shadow effect as well. Play with the positioning and opacity and change it according to your liking, and then click on the tick mark if you're happy with the text image. And then we'll go ahead and add another text image. Now this one is gonna be thumbnail, and I will again choose the same font, which is the luckiest guy font. And of course the font is built in, and if you want to choose any other font, you can just download any font and place it in the Picsart directory. There are steps on the Picsart app as well, so you can follow them. And then I'll add the stroke. Now the stroke color this time is going to be the red one, which is the same color for the tag and for the Fortnite text. I'm then gonna again add shadow as well, and I'll keep the same settings for this one. And then after you've added the shadow, the thumbnail will look something like this, and it is complete. Now if you want to add something else like an arrow or anything, you can do so, but make sure you add the arrow and everything before you add the text, and the text should be last image. And if you're happy with the thumbnail, just click on the check mark and save it to your device. So guys, this is how easy it was to make such a good thumbnail. And if you like the thumbnail, make sure you hit the like button, and make sure you click subscribe for more videos like these. And if you purchase any item in the Fortnite item shop, make sure you use code Panther. And yeah guys, that's it for the video. And so guys, I'll see you in the next one, and as always, thanks for watching.